Okay, hello, welcome to our first flip session. Remember, at any time you can stop the video, pause the video, rewind the video if there's anything that you don't understand. Okay, so if I asked you to multiply 3 times 27 in your head, chances are you would do something like 3 times 20, 3 times 7, and then you'd add the bits up. Essentially, you're using the grid method just in your head, 3 times 20 and 3 times 7, which essentially is splitting up your 27 into 20 and 7 and then multiplying them separately. First of all, the 20 by 3, second of all, the 7 by 3, and then adding them up. Essentially, the same thing happens when we've got brackets that use algebra. That 3, just like it did up here, it multiplied the 3 times by the 20, and it does the same down here. It does the 3 times by the x first, which of course is 3x, but it also, just like up here, we did 3 times 20 and then we did 3 times 7. In the same way, that 3 multiplies by the x, but it also must multiply by the 5, which gives 15. And we've expanded the brackets. We don't know what x is, so we can't do anything more with it. Expanding the brackets just means multiplying out of the brackets. If we look at a couple more examples, the 2 must multiply by the x to give 2x. The 2 must also multiply by the 6 to give 12. Here, the 2 multiplies by the x to give 2x. The 2 also multiplies by the minus 6 to give minus 12. Some people just say, oh, because there's a minus there, I'll put a minus there, and that is a little trick. Now, 2x multiplied by 3 is a bit more difficult. It's 3 lots of 2x, which of course is 6x. Some people say, oh, well, I just multiply 3 by 2 and it was 2x's, so it becomes 6x. Now then, the 2x multiplies by the y. Now I know that 2x times by y, I don't know what x is and I don't know what y is, so I can't really do anything with it, but I never write the times sign, so this is the same as 2xy. So 2x times by 3 gives us the 6x, 2x times by y just gives us 2xy. I've expanded the brackets, I've multiplied out of the brackets. The final example is x times by x, which we all know gives x squared, and then x times by 11, which gives us 11x. Okay, these are some examples. Remember, you can come back to these examples, rewind the tape to look at them again, but the exercises I would like you to do now are here. Please pause the video and the answers will come on in a minute. Pause it now. And the answers you should have got are 4x plus 8, 9x plus 54, 3x plus 6, 6x plus 30, 5x minus 45, 11x minus 66, 4x minus 12. We should have got 2xy plus 12x. We should have got 3xy plus 6x. We should have got 3xy, remember to put it alphabetically, plus 10x. And we should have got x squared plus 3x. If you've got any of these wrong, rewind the video, go back. I hope that you were really successful, because tomorrow we're going to try and push ourselves a bit further on.